Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Cadillac. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Cadillac has less than 55,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, universal remote, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, and OnStar.